Hi everyone, welcome back. So we are starting the lesson 4. And the first Hanzi of this lesson is soil, earth, and local. What is it? It is 土. So let's look at the shape of these characters. It draws a longer horizontal line to indicate the ground, and a little bit shorter horizontal line above it together to represent the shape of a soil mound with a slight rise. So how to read these words? 土地. Okay. How about this one? 太土了. So literally it close to very down to the earth, right? It means to rust it. And here comes the stroke video. Alright, so the second Hanzi of this lesson would be mountains. How to say mountains in Chinese? It is 山. Once again, 山. So how's the stories for these characters? It illustrates the shape and the elevations of a mountain with a peak and also the valleys. How to read this word? 上山. Very good. Go up the mountain. The sequence just changed. 山上. On top of the mountains. And let's check out the stroke videos. Okay, so let's move on to the first Hanzi of these lessons, which means wood and trees. So it pronounced as 木. Okay? And it illustrates the shape of a tree with a trunk and the spreading branches. How to read this one? 木头 means wood. 树木. It is a double character word to mean the trees, alright? So here comes the stroke videos for the character mu. Okay, so let's write up the 3 characters of these lessons. The first one is 土. And the second one, we can see the peak and the valleys. So it's the mountains, right? And the third one, it looks like the shape of a tree. So it's 木. Great. So let's unlock more words containing these 3 characters. How about these ones? 黄土 means yellow soil. 下山 go down the mountains. 山下 at the foot of the mountains. 一座山 a mountain. So the character to pronounce as 座 here means the measure word to count the mountains. 爬山 climb mountains. 这个房子是木头做的. This is the sentences. This house is made of wood. Okay, so that's all for these lessons. Please do remember to download the PDF materials to finish the post-lesson exercises. And you can also find the flashcards on our webpage. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Bye!